this is Kiwitahi Station Road level crossing. Now this is another level crossing on the East Coast main trunk line on the Waikato side that used to have Griswold mechanical bells, but again, like Hutchinson Road, they have been very recently replaced with Western Cullen Hayes E-bells. So what do we have? We've got two sets of Western Cullen Hayes E-bells on either side of the crossing. So we've got a set of Montrose of Penrose LED lights on that side of the level crossing, and then on this side here we've got, and then on this side over here we've got two sets of Griswold Signal Co lights which have been retrofitted to LEDs. You can see the Griswold label there and the Griswold Signal Co lights, but I am pleased that they have kept the Griswold lights at this crossing even though the bells have been replaced. So I wonder what these things down here are for. I'm beginning to suspect that maybe they are planning to install barrier arms here one day, because I can see two of them on that side, and I can also see two, and I can see another one over there and another one on that side there. So maybe they are planning to install barrier arms here and additional lights here at some point, which if they end up doing that, then that will be an opportunity to come back and film that when it's done. But yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for some trains.